Welcome to your ultimate guide to healthy snacks that actually taste good. Listen up, you lot. Today we're diving into the world of snacks that are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. We all love to snack, but it's time to make smarter choices that benefit our bodies and minds. Stop shoving crisps and chocolate down your throats. Those processed snacks might taste good for a moment, but they leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. It's time to break the cycle of unhealthy snacking and embrace options that will keep you energized and happy. It's time to ditch the junk food and fuel your body with some proper grub. Imagine opening your pantry and seeing a colorful array of fresh produce, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. These are the building blocks of a healthy diet, and they can be just as convenient and tasty as the junk food you're used to. In this video, we'll explore 10 delicious and nutritious snacks that will satisfy your cravings without guilt. From crunchy veggies with hummus to sweet and satisfying fruit and nut bars, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're a sweet tooth or a savory snacker, these options will keep you coming back for more. We're talking about real food packed with flavor and good-for-you ingredients. Think about the vibrant colors of fresh fruits and vegetables, the satisfying crunch of nuts and seeds, and the natural sweetness of a homemade granola bar. These snacks are not only good for your body, but also a feast for your senses. Get your notepads ready because class is in session. We'll be sharing tips on how to prepare these snacks quickly and easily, so you can fit healthy eating into your busy lifestyle. Plus, we'll give you ideas on how to mix and match ingredients to keep things interesting. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started on this journey to better snacking. First up, we've got Greek yogurt with honey and berries. This isn't some bland, tasteless mess. We're talking about thick, creamy Greek yogurt packed with protein to keep you full and satisfied. Drizzle over some honey for a touch of natural sweetness and top it with a handful of fresh berries. The berries add a burst of vitamins and antioxidants, making this snack not only delicious but good for you too. Next on the menu, we have hummus and veggie sticks. This is a classic combination that's not only delicious but also incredibly easy to prepare. You don't need to be a master chef to whip this up, and it's perfect for any occasion, whether it's a quick snack or a party appetizer. This isn't rocket science, you muppets. Seriously, anyone can do it. All you need is a bit of enthusiasm and a few fresh ingredients. It's time to ditch those unhealthy snacks and embrace something that's both tasty and good for you. Hummus is a Middle Eastern dip made with chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, and lemon juice. These simple ingredients come together to create a creamy, flavorful dip that's loved worldwide. Chickpeas are the star of the show, providing a rich source of protein and fiber. Tahini, which is made from sesame seeds, adds a nutty depth of flavor, while olive oil and lemon juice bring everything together with a smooth texture and a zesty kick. It's packed with fiber and protein, making it a satisfying and nutritious snack. Not only does it keep you full for longer, but it also provides essential nutrients that your body needs. Fiber aids in digestion, while protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Plus, the healthy fats from olive oil are great for your heart. And instead of reaching for those greasy potato chips, we're going for a more vibrant and fresh option: veggie sticks. Carrots, celery, cucumber, and bell peppers are all fantastic choices. These vegetables are not only crunchy and delicious, but also packed with vitamins and minerals. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is great for your eyesight. Celery is low in calories and high in water content, making it a hydrating snack. Cucumbers are refreshing and full of antioxidants, while bell peppers add a sweet, tangy flavor and are loaded with vitamin C. Bell peppers. The choice is yours. You can mix and match your favorite veggies to create a colorful and appealing snack platter. Not only does it look great, but it also offers a variety of textures and flavors that will keep your taste buds entertained. So, next time you're feeling peckish, skip the junk food and reach for some hummus and veggie sticks. Your body will thank you, and your taste buds will too. For a quick and easy snack that takes minutes to prepare, try apple slices with almond butter. Apples are a great source of fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. And almond butter, well, it's a powerhouse of healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E. Slice up a crisp apple, spread on a dollop of almond butter, and you've got yourself a snack that's both delicious and nutritious. Chapter 4: Avocado Toast. Get this toast toasted. Avocado toast is all the rage these days, and for good reason. This simple yet delicious dish has taken the culinary world by storm, becoming a staple in trendy cafes and home kitchens alike. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, avocado toast is a versatile and easy-to-make option that never disappoints. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's packed with healthy fats. Avocados are not only creamy and flavorful, but also loaded with nutrients. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Plus, they provide a good dose of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a nutritious addition to your diet. But don't even think about serving me some soggy, pale excuse for toast. The foundation of a great avocado toast is the bread, and it needs to be just right. Soggy toast is a no-go. It ruins the entire experience. We need a bread that can hold up to the creamy avocado without turning into a mushy mess. We want a nice crusty bread, toasted to perfection. The ideal toast should have a golden brown crust that provides a satisfying crunch with every bite. Whether you prefer sourdough, whole grain, or a rustic country loaf, make sure it's toasted to a beautiful golden hue. Then we're going to smash some ripe avocado on top, creating a creamy, luscious layer that complements the crunchy toast perfectly. The key is to use ripe avocados that are soft enough to mash easily but not overripe to the point of being mushy. Season it with salt and pepper, adding just the right amount of seasoning to enhance the natural flavors of the avocado. A pinch of sea salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper can make all the difference, elevating your avocado toast to new heights. And for an extra kick, a squeeze of lime juice. The acidity of the lime cuts through the richness of the avocado, adding a refreshing tang that brightens up the entire dish. Lime juice not only enhances the flavor, but also helps prevent the avocado from browning too quickly. But why stop there? Avocado toast is a blank canvas ready for your culinary creativity. Add some cherry tomatoes for a burst of sweetness, radishes for a peppery crunch, or microgreens for a touch of freshness. The possibilities are endless, and you can customize your toast to suit your taste preferences. For a more substantial meal, top your avocado toast with a perfectly poached egg. The runny yolk adds a rich, velvety texture that pairs beautifully with the creamy avocado, and if you like a bit of heat, a drizzle of hot sauce can take your toast to the next level. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to making the perfect avocado toast. With the right bread, ripe avocados, and a few simple seasonings, you can create a delicious and nutritious meal that's sure to impress. Whether you're enjoying it for breakfast, lunch, or a snack, avocado toast is a versatile dish that never goes out of style. Get this toast toasted and enjoy every bite. Chapter 5. Mixed nuts and seeds. A bloody good choice. Listen up, you lot. Nuts and seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Keep a bag of mixed nuts and seeds on hand for a quick and easy snack that will keep you going throughout the day. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. The combinations are endless. Chapter 6. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Don't be a donkey. Cottage cheese is a fantastic source of protein and calcium, which are essential for strong bones and muscles. But let's be honest, it can be a bit bland on its own. That's where the pineapple comes in. The sweetness of the pineapple complements the tanginess of the cottage cheese perfectly. Now, before you go thinking I've gone soft, let me explain. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content can actually be good for you. It's packed with antioxidants and has been linked to improved heart health. But we're not talking about those sugary milk chocolate bars. Choose a dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa solids and pair it with a handful of almonds for a satisfying and guilt-free treat. Chapter 8. Edamame. Listen up, you lot. Edamame beans are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. And the best part? They're incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them steamed, roasted, or even added to stir-fries and salads. Chapter 9. Rice cakes with peanut butter and banana. It's not rocket science. Rice cakes are a low-calorie and gluten-free snack option that can be a bit, well, boring on their own. But top them with some peanut butter and banana slices and you've got yourself a flavor explosion. Peanut butter adds a healthy dose of protein and fats, while bananas provide potassium and natural sweetness. Chapter 10. Smoothie bowl. Get your blender ready. Smoothie bowls are a great way to pack in a ton of nutrients in one delicious and refreshing snack or meal. Start with a base of frozen fruit such as berries, mango or banana. Then add in some leafy greens like spinach or kale. You won't even taste them, I promise. Outro, you've got this. Well, there you have it, you lot. 10 healthy snack ideas that will satisfy your cravings without sabotaging your healthy eating habit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Let us know in the comments which snack you're excited to try. Now go on, get snacking.